Welcome to the largest AutoRig Pro animations library. In today's detailed video, we're going to introduce you to the AutoRig Pro animations library. This library includes over 1,500 high-quality animations organized into 24 different categories, making it easy to find the animations you need for your projects. Please keep one important thing in mind during installation. Because of the library's large size, the installation process may take 2 to 3 minutes to complete. This is completely normal. Once the installation is finished, everything will run smoothly and you won't experience any performance issues. So, now let's import a character and bind it to an AutoRig Pro rig. After importing the character, click on the Auto Rig category at the top of the Animations library. Now, open AutoRig Pro and click on Edit. Adjust the bones to match your character. Also, don't forget to enable Mirror X before making any adjustments. Once you've finished adjusting the bones, go to the Auto Rig tab and click on Match to Rig. Then, select both the character and the rig and click Bind. Once the binding process is complete, hide both the character and the rig that are currently visible on the screen. Then, add any animations you like from the AutoRig Pro Animations library. Once all your desired animations have been added to the screen, select them all and delete them. Now, unhide the character and rig that you hid earlier. Switch the timeline to the dope sheet, then change it to the action editor. Select your character's rig and apply any animation from the library. As you can see, the animations play smoothly, making it quick and easy to preview and use them on your character. believe it's hard to find a smoother and more comprehensive animation library for AutoRig Pro on Blender Market. However, if you know of another library that offers more animations and delivers equally smooth results, feel free to let us know in the comments section. We'd love to check it out. So far, none of our customers have reported any issues with this library. However, if you do run into any problems, don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be happy to assist you and make sure your issue is resolved as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and goodbye.